electrochemical cell, which is also called galvanic cell. And second type is electrolytic cell, which is also called electrolysis process. You heard about electrolysis?
Yes, ma'am.
So the electrolysis which we do, that is electrolytic cell. So what is the difference between these two? Electrochemical cell, one example I will tell you, this battery. All of you know where is the use of this battery? Where?
TV remote.
In clock, in remote, we use it. Okay. So when you use this battery in clock, wall clock, or in remote battery, remote use, so what happens? If you add this battery in the clock start running or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So the clock is running because in this battery chemical reaction started, and this chemical reaction convert into what? Electrical energy. So what is the principle of the electrochemical cell? This is example of electrochemical cell. So what is the principle of electrochemical cell? The chemical energy means chemical reaction occur which convert into electrical energy and electricity produced. But in electrolytic cell, one example you can see here, the brine solution, that is NaCl aqueous solution. Okay, what happens? You take aqueous solution NaCl and see, is there any reaction occur? No.
No.
Until unless you not supply the electricity. So when you supply the electricity, then reaction start over here. And when reaction occur, after supplying the electricity, then there is a deposition or liberation of products on anode and cathode. What is the common thing in any cell? In any cell, two things are common. One is three things, we can say three things are common. One is electrode, second is electrolyte, and third is reactions are always redox reaction. So any cell, whenever we are talking about the cell, which we are confused by the biology wala cell. So what is the difference between biology wala cell and this cell? In this cell, there is always cell means electrode. Means there is two electrodes, anode and cathode. And this electrodes always dip into certain electrolyte. Okay. And third, always which reaction takes place? Redox. Battery or not? This battery is which cell? Which type of cell? Electrochemical cell. Why this battery is electrochemical cell? Because the chemical reaction occurs spontaneously. First reaction occur and then electricity produce. Otherwise क्या होगा? तुम्हारा clock नहीं चलेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
बैटरी में रिमोट में डालते हैं ना, तो क्या होता है? बैटरी में रिमोट तुम्हारे जैसे इसको ऐड करते हो, इंसर्ट करते हो, तो क्या होता है? रिएक्शन स्टार्ट and then electricity produce, and that is working, right? Okay. So this electrochemical cell example you can see over here. Okay. And the one example, this is the example which we are going to discuss, that is called Daniell cell. Daniell cell. Okay. So now this Daniell cell, what is Daniell cell? Let me see first. These are two beakers. These are two containers. In one container we are taking zinc, another container we are taking copper electrode, and they are connected with this wire, etc. And when you connect, switch on, you see that no reaction takes place. Better you can see here. Okay. Zinc sulfate, another container there is copper sulfate. So this is zinc sulfate solution, this is copper sulfate solution, and these are called electrolyte. What?
Electrolyte.
And this is two electrodes, zinc electrode, copper electrode, zinc electrode dipped into zinc sulfate, copper electrode dip into copper sulfate solution, right? Okay. So these are two things, electrode and electrolyte. All electrode dip into their respective electrolyte. Okay. Now we are dipping, and now this switch is on over there. Okay, you observe it. The galvanometer reading is what? 0. Means still there is no electricity produced. There is no deflection of galvanometer, means no electricity is produced. Means what? Still the circuit is not complete. Circuit is still incomplete. So now what we have to do? We have to use one very important thing which is called salt bridge. So this is salt bridge. So what is the role of the salt bridge? You see, when I dip, bridge means connection between the two solutions. So when the salt bridge will be dip into or connect the two solutions by dipping it Now see the deflection is what? Now the galvanometer reading was not, initially it was 0 and now the reading is coming what? 30.
30.
Okay, and you see the current is flowing from 0 to this side. Why this side? Okay, because always current flow from positive to negative. Okay, here zinc is negative and copper is positive. So your current is flow from positive to negative. So this is the reason the deflection is this side. This is clear to all of you? Yes. Okay. So what is the role of the salt bridge? First role, to complete the circuit. And second role, to maintain the electrical neutrality of solution. What is the meaning of that? I will just explain. Now question is this, what is filled in this salt bridge? What we have filled it? What is the name? What is the name of this?
Salt bridge.
Salt bridge. Salt means what we have filled? Salt. And bridge means connection between two solutions. So which type of salt we have filled? We have filled neutral electrolyte. Means strong electrolyte like KCl, K2SO4. So in salt bridge we filled strong electrolyte KCl, K2SO4, etc. And this salt bridge is made by KCl along with agar-agar. What is the role of agar-agar? To make the jelly. Okay, you can see how to make the this salt bridge also. So later on you can see how can we make it also. So in salt bridge we are filling what? KCl along with agar-agar, and hence after filling you can see it becomes solidified, gel hai, solidify ho jata hai, right? And this salt bridge is dipping. Okay, now again you can see as soon as I remove the salt bridge, the reading is coming what? 0. Circuit is what? Complete or incomplete?
Incomplete.
Means there is a no flow of current, right? And no reaction, no current flow. But as soon as again you can see it is 0. As soon as I'm using this salt bridge, the reading becomes 0 to 30.
30.
Galvanometer reading has been changed. Deflection is there. Means electricity is produced over there. Up to this clear? Okay. So what is the role of salt bridge? The first, to complete the circuit, and second, to neutralize the solution, both solution, to maintain the electrical neutrality of solution by flowing of opposite charge. Again you see as soon as I remove it, again it becomes 0. You add it, the potential value is coming. So now circuit is complete and the cell is working, and chemical energy converting to electrical energy means now electricity is produced by